Bid price is the price a forex trader is willing to sell a currency pair for. Ask price is the price a trader will buy a currency pair at. Both of these prices are given in real time and are constantly updating. Let me explain in more detail. The British pound against the US dollar has a bid price of 1.2072. That's the price a trader wants to sell the pound US dollar. For example, a seller who thinks a currency will decline might sell at the bid price to take advantage of the fall. If the British pound against the US dollar has an ask price of 1.2074, that's the price a trader wants to pay in order to buy the currency pair. The difference between the ask and the bid price is the spread. What's the spread? Good question. Take a look at my next video and find out.